The AllFuel HST flat top chimney cap is used to terminate the chimney system and stops rain, snow, debris, and animals from getting in the chimney. Our flat top chimney cap uses the same twist lock connection as the rest of our Class A chimney to allow for easy removal for cleaning and includes a locking band to ensure it doesn't blow off during high winds. Our flat top chimney cap does not include a spark screen and is perfect for appliances that do not produce hot embers like gas, coal, or oil. If you burn wood, you should consider using our chimney cap with spark guard to help prevent hot embers from escaping your chimney. The AllFuel HST flat top chimney cap is made of 304 stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance and polished to a beautiful shine. The AllFuel HST Class A double wall insulated chimney system is designed for appliances that are listed for use with a 2100 degree high temperature chimney, including wood stoves, fireplaces, fireboxes, furnaces, boilers, water heaters, pizza ovens, and other appliances fueled by wood, gas, coal, or oil. This insulated chimney system requires a 2-inch clearance to combustibles and can be installed in through the wall, through the attic, multi-story, cathedral ceiling, and roof-supported installations. Please note that all Class A chimney systems are brand specific, meaning the AllFuel HST brand of chimney pipe cannot be connected to any other brand of double wall chimney.